Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ivy and I'm a makeup artist based in Asaba, Delta State, Nigeria. In today's video, we're going to be doing this full face of makeup using only Avon Cosmetics products. If you're based here in Nigeria, you can get these products from at Avon store in Nigeria on Instagram. You can actually get quality products from there. I've been using Avon products for a very long time now, and I dare say that I really do love most of the products. Some actually do not work for me, but majority of them do. And like most people do not seem to be aware that Avon does products for dark skin. I'll be here now to show you some of those products now that can work for you, with your very dark skin, any skin tone you have. Avon has products that can cater to that. If you would like to see how I achieved this makeup look today, please keep on watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel down below. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. So guys, I've already gone ahead to prime my face off camera. Now I'll be applying my foundation. Today we'll be using the Avon True Color Ideal Nude Foundation in the shade Cocoa Bean. This is a mattifying light to medium coverage foundation. We are not going for full coverage today, guys, so we're just going to shake this up, shake it very well, and then just taking 2 pumps, and we'll be applying that all over our face. We're going for a light to medium coverage today, guys. Next, we're going to go into highlighting, and I'll be using 2 concealers. I have here the Avon True Color Concealer in the shade Ebony and also in the shade Deep. I'll be going in first with Ebony, and then I'll go on over top back with Deep. Now I'm going in with Deep. Taking my Avon True Color Cream Concealer in the shade Mahoghany, I'm going to be using this to contour my nose and the sides of my face. The Mahoghany shade actually looks like this. It's quite dark, and that is really wonderful considering it's an Avon product. It goes really dark. Next, going in with my Avon True Color Powder in the shade Medium Deep. Looks like this. We're actually going to be using this to set the highlighted areas. Next, taking this Avon True Color Concealer in the shade Dark, I'm going to be using this to clean up underneath my eyebrows. Back in with that Avon powder in medium deep that we used earlier to set underneath our eyes. I'm going to be taking that on the brush and using that to set underneath my brow bone. Taking the Avon concealer in deep, we're going to be using that to cut our crease. This is going to serve as a primer of some sort. Make sure you blend it in very well. Going into this Avon True Color eyeshadow quad in Warm Sunrise, I am going to be taking this orange shade and mixing it with this purple shade and blending that into my crease. I'm blending this first into my transition area. Next, taking this Avon True Color eyeshadow quad in Purple Pop, which looks like this. I'm going to be taking this purple shade and applying that all over my lid and this darker purple shade at the outer corner of my eyes. Taking a smaller blending brush and this same dark purple shade, I'm going to blend that into my crease. Just going to use it to blend everything in together. Then going back in with the blending brush we used at first, I'm just going to blend it all in together some more. Next, I'll be going in with this light lilac shade right here and applying that into the inner corners of my eye. Avon True Color Glimmerstick Waterproof Eyeliner in the shade Blackest Night. I'm going to be using this to smudge on top of my upper part of my lashes, and then smudge underneath my lower lash line and into the waterline as well. Taking the mascara now, just going to use that to apply on my lashes. Taking this purple shade from the Warm Sunrise palette we used for our transition area, I'm going to be using that shade to smoke underneath my lower lash line. Taking this face powder, the Avon True Color Mattifying Face Powder in the shade Fawn, I'm going to be using that to blend out the powder from underneath my eye and then to set the rest of my face. Taking this my Z palette filled with Avon eyeshadows. I have two eyeshadow quads here. The first is the Avon eyeshadow quad in Mocha Latte and the second one in Chocolate Sensation. And I also have the Avon True Color blush in Cranberry. First, I'll be taking that dark shade from the two quads, both the Mocha Latte and the Chocolate Sensation, mixing them together and using that to contour my nose. Taking my contour brush now, I'll be dipping that into the two dark shades we used to contour our nose and using that to contour my face, my cheekbones and my forehead. Then going back over that to blend everything together with my powder brush without any additional product. Then going into that Avon True Color blush in Cranberry, I'll be applying that to the apples of my cheek. Taking this Avon True Color Moonlit highlighter, I'll be applying that to the top of my cheekbones rather. The bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, and also underneath my brow, which is on my brow bone. Going back again with the powder brush to blend everything in together. Taking this Avon Lip pencil in Currant, I'll be using that to line my lips. Then going in with this Avon lipstick in Tender Kiss, I'm applying that all over my lips, blending everything together, smacking my lips together so it all looks beautiful. This is the finished look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.